In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or undo a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you spot a mistake after you've finished reconciling an account, or maybe a transaction was matched to the wrong item. The good news is, you don't have to undo the entire month's reconciliation in most cases. You can simply remove individual transactions from the reconciliation and then clean things up. I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that. From the list that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers are listed. Next, in your Chart of Accounts, find the account that includes the reconciled transaction you want to change. This might be a checking account, a savings account, or a credit card account. Once you've located the correct one, look over to the right side of that row and click View Register. The account register is basically a running list of all transactions for that account. Now scroll through the register to find the specific transaction you want to edit or remove from the reconciliation. In the column with the check marks, you'll see different status indicators. For reconciled transactions, you'll see an R in that column. That R tells you that this transaction has already been included in a completed reconciliation. To undo the reconciliation status for that single transaction, click directly on the R. Each time you click, it cycles through different statuses. Click until the box becomes completely blank, with no C or R showing. A blank box means the transaction is no longer marked as cleared or reconciled. This is what actually removes it from the previous reconciliation. After you've changed the status, make sure to click Save. QuickBooks will usually ask you to confirm that you want to make this change because it can affect your previously reconciled balances. Confirm the change and the transaction will now be unreconciled. Keep in mind, when you remove individual transactions like this, your past reconciliation for that period may no longer tie out perfectly. For a full reconciliation, you'll need to go back into the Reconcile screen for that account and run through the reconciliation again, making sure your ending balance matches your bank statement after the adjustments. This extra step helps keep your books accurate and your reports reliable over time.